Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started lying down on our back. Keep your knees bent, relax your arms at your sides, and just take some deep breaths in and out. Place your right ankle on top of your left knee for a figure 4 and gently start to press your right knee forward. You can either stay just like this, or you can float the legs up towards you, grabbing behind your left hamstring or in front of your left knee. Lower your left foot back down onto your mat as you cross your right leg on top of the left leg this time. And we just lift our legs up, and you can grab behind that left hamstring, or if you want to go a little bit deeper, you grab onto the big toes and you pull your legs away from each other. So this is just going to give you a deeper hip stretch. Lower the foot back down as you pull your right knee into your chest and you straighten your left leg down onto your mat. Take some circles with your right ankle. Come into your supine twist, guiding your right knee towards the left. Open your right arm out to the side. Come back to center, lower your right foot on the mat, and you come into your figure 4 with the left ankle on top of the right knee, pressing that left knee forward. And you have the option to lift the legs. Lower your right foot as you cross your left leg over that right leg, and we lift our legs. And remember, you can grab behind that right hamstring or you reach for the big toes. Release your legs. You hug that left knee into the chest, straighten the right leg, and you take some circles with the left ankle. Come into your supine twist. Let's come back to center, hugging our knees into our chest. Open up for happy baby, reaching for your feet or your legs, bending your knees towards the mat. We end by coming into our butterfly, bringing the soles of the feet together. Hands rest on your belly. Let's take a big breath, breathing in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.